What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Intelligent Investor Podcast. I hope that you all are doing well, that you had a great Christmas, had a great New Year, and are ready to kill it this year. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. Honestly, been very busy with other channels. As I've told you guys before, I have a few other channels that I run that are in Spanish, and I make content on those channels every single day. But my goal for this year is to start making a lot more content in English, because I consistently have people asking me, what am I looking at? What am I investing in? What am I looking to make money on this year? So I plan on sharing with you guys a lot more of my ideas through this channel. So if you would like to stay up to date with what I'm posting, please don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a crypto token that I've been very critical about in the past. Although I do have a few investments on this blockchain, which make me have to transact in the token we're going to be talking about, which is Solana. I am not too sure that this project is going to last very long. And I definitely think that we'll see lower prices in the near future. So as I mentioned, the coin we're going to be talking about is Solana. We're going to be talking about the price movement that's had since the FTX crash, why the FTX crash affected Solana so much. We're going to be talking about a few things that I've seen wrong with Solana in the past and the reason why I have not been a big believer. We're going to be talking about the price movement we've had in the last couple of days that has made Solana jump from $8 just a few days ago to over $13 today. We're talking about close to a 60-70% increase. I'm going to explain why all this happened with a little help of a few news articles that I have here so that you can completely understand what's going on with Solana, why it's been going up, and I'm going to finish the video giving you my opinion of where I think Solana is going to be in the future. We definitely have a lot to talk about, so I suggest you stay to the end, especially because I'm going to be doing a giveaway in Solana. If you would like to see other updates I make on Solana or on other cryptocurrencies, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. So as I explained before, I have had many problems with Solana in the past. This has made me not invest in the token in the way that I wanted to. The reason why I've never been a supporter of Solana is because we've seen time over time how the Solana blockchain has failed. The connectivity has gone down, which has made people not be able to log into the projects in Solana to either withdraw funds, to buy things that they want to buy. And in my opinion, no blockchain should be going down, or at least no reputable blockchain should be going down at any time. A lot of people may say, yeah, but this could happen with any blockchain. The reality is that it doesn't happen with every blockchain. Bitcoin doesn't go down. Ethereum doesn't go down. Cardano hasn't gone down. So why is Solana down? Solana right now is a number 15 cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. But just a few weeks ago, Solana was within the top 10. It was above Dogecoin, but now you can see Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, even Litecoin and Polkadot and Tron has surpassed Solana in market cap. And I don't think it's going to stop here. Yeah, we've had a 40% increase in Solana, which is due to the new meme coin, stablecoin that they have launched in the last couple of days. And this is the news that we're going to start with today. Why did Solana's price skyrocket in the last couple of days? It says, despite most major cryptocurrency trading in the red, Solana SolUSD token shot up 17% in Tuesday late afternoon trading on reports that new meme coin Bonk, which you can find as Bonk USD, is set to conduct a sizable airdrop in a move that's fired up interest across the Sol ecosystem. Sol shed more than 90% of its value in 2022, given its close ties to Sam Bankman-Fried, the disgraced FTX co-founder and former CEO, who is facing federal charges for defrauding investors and customers. Now Sol, who has a price of $13.21 at the time that this article was made, is kicking off 2023 as one of the biggest winners for now. The Bonk airdrop consists of 50% of its coin supply, adding that around 20% of the airdrop supply was directed to Solana-based non-fungible token collections and 10% went to Solana-focused collectors. You should note that a crypto airdrop is an effort to attract users, which is the process of distributing a token typically free of charge. Alright, so we're going to stop here. In case you don't really understand what airdrops are, typically an airdrop is an incentive for people who are already holding a token or people who are holding a certain asset within a project to get benefited off a big launch. Let's say in this case like a token. So in other words, if you are owner of certain Solana projects, you're going to get an airdrop in Bonk, which is worth money. It's pretty much free money given to you. Now, this has made a lot of people get into Solana, buy Solana in order to get into a certain project, and this is what made the price go up. Now, the question is the price going to stay up? If we look at Solana, I'm looking at a chart on TradingView, you can see that Solana skyrocketed in a matter of 3 trading sessions. These are all daily candles, which means that every single bar is 1 day. You can see that on December 29th, Solana was at a price of $8.10, which is a multi-year low we haven't seen in a long time. And since then, Solana shot up to $14.30. We're talking about more than a 70% increase in this token in only 3 days. Usually when a token goes up this hard, it's due to some type of news, positive, negative, but they don't really last this long up there. Okay, today Solana has dropped 3%. And if you understand anything about trading patterns, you will see that the last Solana increase didn't even break above previous resistance levels. We could see that the last hard resistance in Solana is around $15 and price only got up to around $14.20, $14.40, and it left a big doji, which is price action, indicating that it might reverse. Now, if we was to drop in the timeline and see what has been happening in the last day, you can see that price has been accumulating here. This doesn't always mean that it's going to go down, but it's very probable that we're going to see a drop in Solana again back to this $8 area and maybe even go under that. Now, why do I say this? Because Solana has just been having problems after problems after problems. Now, I know there's a lot of people who say, all right, Solana is at $13 right now. Before it was at $2.50. This is a big opportunity. And this is usually how I view many crypto tokens, but you have to understand the fundamentals behind what's happening with Solana. And the reality is that things aren't getting better for Solana. The only thing good that Solana has going is that more projects are still launching. New projects are very interesting. But the bad part, which is the next news article that I want to go over with you guys, is that top NFT Solana projects are leaving the blockchain. All right. So in one side, we have new projects coming in that are interesting, but on the other side, we have veterans that are leaving and going to other blockchains that they consider better or safer. Let's understand what's going on. If you are still here with me, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. 2 top Solana NFT projects, DeGods and Y00ts, have announced they are leaving the blockchain in 2023, which is stirring up conflict sentiments in the crypto community. Over the weekend, DeGods announced on Twitter that it will be migrating to Ethereum, while its sister project Y00ts will be moving to Polygon early next year. Now, Polygon is another crypto that I'm going to talk about later on in this video, and that I'm also going to make a separate video later on this week on this channel. So please stay tuned, because Polygon may be one of the best opportunities we see in 2023, 2024, 2025. But let's continue to see what's going on with these projects in Solana, and I'll get back to Polygon later. The Y00ts will also have DeGods Dust token used to trade and mint NFTs on its ecosystem transferred to the respective blockchains. So on top of the NFT project going, the Dust token is also going to be moving out of Solana. The migration brought conflicting views from community members and the Solana NFT ecosystem as a whole, as some disapproved of the move while others expressed excitement, and one person even referred to it as a level up. At the beginning of the year, we noticed that much of the creator economy's attention was focused on Ethereum and Solana. Ryan Watt, the CEO of Polygon Studios, said, "Therefore, we decided to go against the trend and focus on the untapped potential of Web3 by onboarding large enterprise brands, DeFi platforms, and gaming companies. We did it successfully through ecosystem fund investments and white glove partnership support. Polygon has gone full force into making its layer 2 blockchain a well-known home for crypto projects in the space. Earlier this year, Polygon announced partnerships with Starbucks and Disney, while also having major brands like Prada and Adidas launch NFT projects through its blockchain." And if you can see here, although we're not going to open this article because they charge for this article, I don't understand why news platforms are still doing this. I don't think this is very sustainable for very long. But they say there's an argument to be made that DeGods has capped out on Solana. DeGods project leader and Y00ts creator Y00ts, known as Frank, said in Twitter Space on Monday, "It's hard to accept, but it's been tough to grow at," and I'm assuming he's going to say Solana. Okay, this is very important, all right, because pretty much what they're saying here is that DeGods has capped down Solana, but there's a lot of potential Polygon. The way I really interpret this is that Solana is capped, right? Solana already had its run. It went up to $200 and I think $60. If we put up TradingView again, Solana already went up to $260. We're talking about a token that a year before that was under $1, if I'm not mistaken. So why would a project want to stay in the blockchain that consistently goes down, that already had a hard run, that nobody's seeing how the heck is going to get up there, and that doesn't really have much more going for it aside from old people in Solana saying that it's going to come back. It's going to be like Ethereum dropping to under $100 back in 08 or dropping under 50 bucks back in the 08. That's not the case. All right. Ethereum, right? The Ethereum blockchain wasn't going down when it went through a bear market. It just went through a bear market, right? So again, I'm not going to say that Solana is going to disappear because anything could happen in crypto. I have Solana because of projects that I'm invested in. So it's not like I go out of pocket to buy Solana. I just have a certain amount stored, but I wouldn't buy more Solana. But that's the game. Right? I'm not betting on Solana. I've never been somebody that bet on Solana. I mean, a few projects seem interesting, but I wouldn't bet on this blockchain for very long. Something else that came up on Solana, I'm not really going to go through this news, but as you can see, fake Solana NFTs are being sold on Magic Eden in massive exploit. All right, now this happens on a lot of marketplaces, but again, we have it on Magic Eden, right? I use Magic Eden for a few crypto projects I'm in, and I will be pissed if I bought NFT projects on Solana that are fake, right? I wouldn't go back to Magic Eden. So Magic Eden is definitely going to take a hit. We just seen that Y00ts and DeGods are abandoning the Solana blockchain, and it's due to these things. It's like there's just so many things wrong going on with Solana. Meanwhile, you have a crypto token that is amongst the top 10 that's growing and growing, and it grew a lot in 2022. Had a lot of headlines, which is Polygon. Polygon is now top 10 crypto. It's now above Solana, has a higher market cap, and we just keep hearing good things about Polygon. Now, what's more interesting about Polygon is the price that it's at right now. It's at 79 cents. Solana, with everything that's been going on, is still a token that's above $10. Solana is at 13.11. Matic is at 78.79 cents. Now, I'm going to ask you, which graph looks much healthier? You don't even have to know about trading. Just look at this area right here, the last few months. And now look at Solana. Solana is declining. Matic is preparing for a bull run, right? It's sustaining at these levels. Very interesting. So this is what I always ask myself when I'm investing, especially in crypto. Is it a layer 1 coin? Yes, Solana in that terms is better than Matic because Matic is a token, a layer 2 token under Ethereum. But if I'm going to spend $13 on one Solana when I can buy with that same amount of money 15, 16 Matic tokens, which one has more potential? Which one has more upside? Solana that has already been at around $260. We're talking about at least a 20x from where it's at right now. Or Matic, whose all-time high has only been at $350. Are you going to invest in Solana, who has veteran projects leaving the ecosystem? Or are you going to bet on Matic, who in the last year has had partnership with Starbucks, Disney, Meta, and other top brands around the world? I think the decision is easy. All right, so there's a lot of bad things going on with Solana. Obviously, Solana could recover. I'm not going to say it's not. You know, they could make it so that the blockchain doesn't drop no more and more utility. But my bets are on tokens like Matic. I see future gains in Matic. I see future hurt in Solana. And that's why I don't consider Solana a good investment. And this is why I wanted to make this video. There's a lot of people saying that it's smart to buy Solana now because at 13 it's been at 260, but I don't even know if Solana could go double the price. It may happen short term, but it doesn't mean it's going to stay up there. And until I see improvements in Solana, until I see Solana doing things differently, positive news, positive partnerships, I'm not going to invest another dollar. I'm not going to invest into Solana projects. I'm not going to invest into Solana token. I'm going to stay out for now. I'm going to keep the investments I have. I'm going to keep making money from those, but I'm not going to invest another dollar with anything that has to do with Solana for now. Now, in my next video, I plan on talking about Matic. I'm going to be talking about the future potential that Matic has and why this could be one of the best buys for 2023, 2024, 2025. I say those dates because I'm not going to tell you that the market is going to go up this year. I think that we're going to see big increases in crypto towards the end of the year, but no one controls these markets. These are just speculations. I may be wrong. So please, everything that I said in this video, don't take as financial advice. This is just my opinion from what I see at looking at these markets every single day and understanding what's happening in these projects. And let me know if you like this video. Aside from just giving my opinion, I like to back it up with news that I'm seeing in the market so that we can stay up to date with things that are going on in certain projects. If you would like to see more videos like this, my analysis on different cryptocurrency projects, what assets I'm investing in the crypto space, stock market, or when it comes to investing in general, please don't forget to hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button so I can let you know when I drop the next one. Question that I have for you guys is, what would you prefer to buy right now? Polygon or Solana? Which one do you think has a brighter future? And let me know why. I'm going to be choosing one of the answers that you gotta leave on this video, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Since this is a Solana based video, I'm going to be giving away one Solana token. I know it's not much, but I plan on doing many giveaways throughout the month. Solana right now has a value of $13, but if you're someone who believes in a project, that one Solana token could be worth a lot more in the future. And if you don't own Solana, well, it's an addition to your portfolio, or you can sell it, buy another crypto, whatever. Just let me know which one would you rather buy right now, Matic or Solana, and why. Alright guys, I would like to thank you for staying to the end. This is the Intelligent Investor channel. My name is Chris Patino, and I'll see you on the next one.